Motivational thoughts. No matter who you are, no matter what you did, no matter where you have come from, you can always change, become a better version of yourself. When you stop chasing the wrong things, you give the right things a chance to catch you. More out of your comfort zone, you can only grow if you are willing to feel awkward and uncomfortable when you try something new. Smile to change the world. Don't let the world change your smile. Destiny is not a matter of change, it's a matter of choice. It is not a thing to be waited for, it is a thing to be achieved. Never give up on a dream just because it will take time to accomplish it. Watch your habits before they become your character. Watch your character before it becomes your destiny. If you don't like something, change it. If you can't change it, change your attitude. The happiest people don't necessarily have the best of everything, but they make the most of everything. If you don't go after what you want, you will never have it. If you don't ask, the answer is always no. If you don't step forward, you are always in the same place. Thank you.